at GSS 3.
Yeah.
He was there. It was a different school. I left my first secondary school to another one. I met him there. I hated him.
So basically because
I really did.
Because I was the loud one, like being in class clown, while she's more of that the quiet one. So I was in the commercial class, she was in science class. So whenever she sees me, because I give everybody nicknames, so when she sees me, she always dash off.
Yeah, he gave everybody nicknames, and then he was just a troublemaker.
And for no reason, sometimes when we go to the cyber cafe to browse, we tend to meet ourselves sometimes.
He stole my password.
Yeah, and the crazy thing, I stole the password of her email.
Now we will ask questions. Are you ready for that? If you are not ready, tell us now. Because there are two things I want to tell you.
Like